How to fix Valorant no internet found error on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix Valorant no internet found error on Windows 10. 1. Try restarting router/modem. And check if you ran into some internet connection issue as well. Google and try some other troubleshooting steps on the web. 2. Reboot your PC and try relaunching Vanguard. 3. Remove existing, using the recommended uninstall tool in this video guide, and reinstall Vanguard. 4. Uninstall Valorant along with Vanguard.